Hey, hello! Look at these USB cables. I need to check them all with my instruments. First, precision ohm meters. Then plate for USB wires. Then DIY things. I'll show you them closer. For USB cables, I bought this device. You put from one side wire to another side, and a lot of LEDs, they lights up. Description about USB. Simple thing, about $15. Then connectors, I have this one and a few another. I need USB-A, Lightning and Type-C. So I connected ground and vBus, plus and minus. I used a hot glue to isolate all things. Then I used Type-C connector to understand what we have a resistance in my device, about 52 milliohms. We can see that about 5 wires. I wrote it on label printer. 5 wires. Then I used my DIY connection device. I measured plus bus, vBus. 86, so minus 52, 53. It's about 33 milliohms. 5 wires, 33 milliohms. And add sticker to the wire. Another wire, the same 5 wires. Resistance about 30 milliohms. Then I checked one wire and no any resistance. It means wire is bad. With any bad wires, we can use a scissors and cut them, and it wire go to trash. Another wire has about 2 ohms resistance, so it's very bad, very thin wires inside, so I cut it. Look how it's nice, a lot of wires, every wire with sticker. I know how many wires, what resistance, every of them. One type of wires in one Ziploc bag. It's a great solution for storage any wires. One bag, USB Lightning second bag, power delivery third bag, USB micro USB fourth bag, and parts last one. If you like this video, please